Hello everyone, this is Isra Jahan, front-end developer and GHL expert at Innovation LLC. Today we are going to learn how to clone workflows to one account from any other sub-account. In the previous video, we have learned how to create a snapshot from of any account or any sub-account, but today we are going to learn how to clone a workflow by that snapshot, right? So first of all, we have to go to agency view of your sub account. So now you have to go to this sub accounts, and I'm going to any sub account like Avengers. Okay, then from action, load snapshot. Okay, you can see if you have created a sub account, snapshot, you can easily uh, load them here, right? So I am going to load this template one snapshot from okay, you can see here you can skip the things, the elements you don't need, right? If you don't need the calendar, skip it. If you don't need the custom values or forms or funnel or websites, you can skip all of them. Suppose you only need the workflows, right? So you can skip all of them from here and only load the workflows, right? It's pretty simple. And also, if you want that particular step workflow, you can also skip others. You can only load that one. So if I click to proceed, okay, I'm skipping all of them. And yes, okay, you can see I have I want to load only this workflow hot leads, so I'm skipping others. Okay, it will okay, you want to override the things or not, just keep it. Okay, I think it's done. Let's go back to our page, workflows, check if it's done or not. Okay, so I'm going to automations now, and yes, you can see that hot leads I have just imported. So in this way you can import your workflows or calendar, whatever you want, right? So if you like the video, please like it, share it, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.